wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best kayak roof racks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, with reinforced cargo straps, foam cushioned arms and a sturdy base, the direct aftermarket Universal gets the job done at a budget-friendly price. It fits on nearly all flat, oval and square crossbars and has enough room to carry 2 kayaks up to 36 inches in width. It's easy to load and unload and comes with an epoxy powder-coated frame. However, installation is a bit complicated. At number 7, the Sportrack Jetty saddle holds your boat flat on top of your car rather than turning it on its side, which helps to reduce wind resistance and mitigate the pressure put on the frame. It's a cinch to set up and remove without any need for drilling. It's equipped with a protective rubber padding and a non-skid surface, but this one's not ideal for wide hulls. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the TMS HD carrier offers a durable steel build with adjustable sections of foam padding, as well as 4 large knobs for easy tightening. Its wide-mouthed J-style bars take up very little space and make it a cinch to load and retrieve your craft. It holds up to 75 pounds and is backed by a lifetime warranty. However, be aware that additional hardware is often needed. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kayak roof racks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the highly adjustable Rhino Rack Nautic 570 will accommodate a wide variety of hull shapes, with front and rear cradles that clamp onto your crossbars securely. Its rugged waterproof construction is resistant to mold and UV radiation. The mounting pads rotate 180 degrees, and the included straps are sturdy. It comes with a thorough set of instructions too. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Roller 59912 J-Style boasts a powder-coated steel build that resists corrosion even if you're in the habit of loading up your vessel while it's still dripping wet. Both sides of the holders are equipped with ample cushioning. It features heavy-duty bow and stern ties, metal clips with rubber covers, and a 150-pound weight capacity. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, once it's installed atop your vehicle, the Thule Hullevator Pro conveniently folds over to the side so you can both load and retrieve your boat at waist level. It's equipped with secure tie-downs for your bow and stern, and center straps with protective buckle bumpers. It offers 8 touch points of padded support and a double-coated steel construction. This one can accommodate wide hulls. At number 2, the Balloon Downloader Folding J-Style is a universal system that's collapsible when it's not in use, so it hardly takes up any space in storage. The large foam sections on the sides help to keep scratches off your hull, ensuring a longer life for your watercraft. It fits around most cross rails easily and comes with 60 and 70mm mounting bolts and straps with buckle protectors. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if you want to get loaded up and on the road without any fuss, you'll appreciate the tool-free installation of the Yakima J-Lo. It can be folded down quickly when you don't need it, providing improved aerodynamics and better garage clearance. It comes with a molded base with grooves and can carry up to 2 boats at once. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kayak roof racks, or simply click beneath this video.